Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Yamaha Stryker. 1300cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected V-twin power with that gorgeous Yamaha styling. Only 6,000 miles on this awesome Stryker. Come by, make your custom cruiser V-twin dreams come true. Beautiful metallic blue paint scheme. Belt drive, no chain to mess with or lubricate. This bike is in excellent condition. Low miles, ready to go for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.